Today, we're going to review IQ mode on your HFX app. In IQ mode, you won't need to adjust your program or level settings yourself. Instead, you complete your assessment, and your HFX app will take your responses and make a personalized recommendation based on your specific needs. When you are prompted with a recommendation, you can choose to either use the recommended setting or stay on your current setting. Remember, you may also receive a recommendation to stay on the current setting if your IQ mode decides that current setting will continue to improve your pain relief.
You will know you are in IQ mode when you see IQ mode at the top right-hand side of your screen.
Go ahead and grab your phone and open the HFX app. First, I want to give you a quick overview of the home screen. In the upper right corner, you'll see the STIM on-off button and if your device is currently on. In the middle of the screen, you will see what program is currently running. Your program setting will display your initials, the number, and below that, you'll see the Change Programs icon. Anytime you'd like to track your progress, you can complete an assessment by tapping Start Assessment. You will get reminders daily to complete an assessment during your chosen assessment window. You will know you're in your assessment window when your Start Assessment icon is yellow. Remember, assessments done during this time frame will allow IQ mode to provide guidance on any program adjustments. Below the assessment icon, you can see the level of your implanted battery and if your device is connected to Bluetooth. At the bottom of your screen, you'll see the Home tab, My Progress tab, Favorites tab, and the Menu tab. One important thing to note is making sure your notifications are turned on through the Menu tab. This will allow you to get reminders such as when your battery is low and needs to be charged, when your device has been turned off, or when to complete assessments. If you have any additional questions, you can always reach out to your Nevro HFX care team.